trolley repairs for them. This is made with stainless steel pipe, some 3mm TIG rod and some stainless steel rings used for jewellery. Some bigger washers here. Some more TIG wire and some 5mm stainless steel rod. Anyway, I used it as a template, bolted some washers to the adapter and added pieces of metal to build up the gap and what came behind it. Filled it with 3mm thick, 20mm wide stainless steel flat bar. This is well, it's going to be a bandsaw. Might not look like one. This is basically one of the legs connecting two wheels. The wheels are going to be made from more stainless steel tubing. There's more of that 20mm wide flat bar. Here's the other pieces. So you got some trapezoidal thread and the captive nut. So basically by turning this bit, the nut moves up and down, and the sleeve will effectively get fixed to the wheel and the inner part pushed away, tensioning the belt. This stand here allows the same mechanism to push the insert down, thereby brushing or bending or whatever you want to do. This is just a piece of C-channel. I say work in progress because this fits over one of the nuts. Here we go. But being made of PLA, it's not very strong. So my next task is to make one of these out of stainless steel. And for that I'm going to need a CNC plasma. And this is my plan for the CNC plasma. More of that TIG wire and some 1mm thick stainless steel sheet going to fit holes in the acrylic. It was, and once I get this done, will be again a CNC laser. But to fit this, this had to be disconnected, which made it an awful lot more trouble than it was worth. At least this way with the nuts you can put on your fingers on an Allen key. It can be attached to the front without having to dismantle the whole of that thing. So yeah, I bought this on the Express. It's a CNC laser, so hopefully it will do the job. If anything, it's going to be more than fast enough, because plasma cutting 6mm thick flat bar, you're going to have to go slow. All I need for that is a CNC plasma cutter, and that's on the way.